A 3D printer refers to a rapid prototyping machine functioning on a layer-by-layer basis, which is relatively cheap and easy to use. The following article explains that the printing process happens in different stages, first of which is creating a digital model of the object which is about to be created, with the help of a computer-assisted design software. After that, layering the parts and hardening them with a laser, and finally removing the excess material with the help of a chemical bath. Some of its first applications have been in the hearing aid industry for creating hearing aid devices. Now, in comparison with mass customization, which uses pre-assembled parts that come from multiple vendors, and for that reason require a high level of supply chain integration, 3D printers rely solely on readily available parts, which on the other hand can be bought from only a small number of vendors. Some of the materials could include the articles. According to an article by Atlantic Council, 3D printing will create new industries and professions. However, there is a major contrast. Since 3D printing allows products to be created with local materials, the world will rely less on imports, resulting in a significant shift in workforce requirements. That would mean that 3D printing would actually reduce the need for actual labor. Subsequently, people working in mass customization firms would actually lose their jobs. Back to the same article. Considering that digitizing physical artifacts allows for global distribution of design solutions, 3D printing has the potential to become a disruptive technology. And because it could possibly disrupt our existing system of economies of scale. According to a YouTube video called The 3D Printing Revolution, a big part of 3D printing's success and disruptiveness is because of its efficiency and because it will allow smaller firms to compete on the same scale as bigger competitors. 3D printing could have an enormous societal effect. The example is from a branch of 3D printing called bioprinting, which deals with fabricating cells, tissues, limbs, and organs through the use of 3D printing technology. It has been developed since organ loss or failure is a major healthcare problem, and transplantations are often quite expensive and hard to execute. This tends to have an enormous effect on society, since as bioprinting develops, decreases in re-establishment time and cost should also be addressed. That being analyzed, I can conclude that 3D printing can actually improve our lives for the better.